Hello and welcome to day 12 of Festive Tangles. Another easy and lovely tangle today. The name is Arik by Miki Vatanbe. And it's so easy. There's almost nothing to explain. You can either start with 4 lines and you can rotate your tile if you want to kind of gauge where the middle is, and then connect the lines with these curvy lines and you will get this diamond shape inside. And that's the tangle. And of course now it's just a question of how you can embellish it and what to do with it. But I think the simplicity of it is really, really lovely. I will add another one, slightly bigger, and I'm positioning it in a different way. You can, of course, add some weighting to some lines just to make it look more interesting. Maybe I will add the 4th one. And you can see me now rotating my tiles so that the lines that I'm drawing are perpendicular, so it's maybe easier to see what the position should be if you rotate your tile. I think I will just add this. It's not a part of the original step out, but I kind of like what it looks like, these little dots that look almost as if the tangle is continuing somewhere in the distance, or the line, not the tangle. And I will fill one of them with gold ink, just to use my gold pen, because it has been, I think it was a constant, or maybe almost a constant during this challenge. And then I will add shade to the other two. I was adding just shade to the bottom part, and then of course I will add highlight to the top part. You can make it a little bit more interesting by drawing this or coloring it or filling it in as though it was a gemstone or Zen gem. I want to retrace some of these lines that I lost below my gold pen, because it's a thicker nib and it's not easy to be precise with it. And whenever you use it, just bear in mind that it's not really sometimes easy or even possible to cover this gold with black again. I think I will add another one with white jelly roll. Oh, so cute. And now I will let it dry a little bit. Then I might maybe also add some, I don't know, shades and highlights inside. But while it's drying, I will add the name. Yay, now I guess that it's dry, so I think I will just add a little bit of shading on the bottom part inside of this white. And I didn't even use my pencil, I just used my blending stump. And I can also use some of it to add an outline, which will almost like help to make the white stand out more. And here I will just shade the bottom part. And actually shading works with a soft pencil like this one, works quite well over gold. It will mute some of the gold shine, but still I think it can add a little bit of 3D effect, at least when you tilt your tile a certain way. So this is my Arik Tangle by Miki Vatanbe. I think it's a very nice addition to this collection, and I hope that you will enjoy it. See you tomorrow. Bye.